All right, guys, we're going to continue with cover three. We got trips blitz. All middle backers are going here, here. And there's a hole that's going to develop right behind these blitzing linebackers that when the outside linebacker doesn't have an actual man to cover or his man is in the backfield, and he can rob right behind where they're blitzing. I call that a rat in the hole. So you catch that guy that's doing this under route right here. You could catch him slipping, and they dink him the ball right over top of the line just before the linebackers get to the quarterback, and then you could eat his lunch or pick the ball off and go to the house. The corner plays this about as well as you can. The back corner fade, back shoulder fade. It's pretty good by the corner here. Both corners are doing an amazing job on their man. The free safeties got his man as well. Just a really good football play. So we got to learn from this. I'm bringing both outside linebackers, and this outside linebacker right here, he could have picked up that back running out of the backfield. We do not allow backs out of the backfield. So he's got to take his path where he can collision that guy off his course, and that's what's going to help this linebacker who actually is responsible for him get there. It's a very good play. I gotta say the way that it's drawn up, because you got him like eye candy. It's making him believe he can run through that. But what has to be known is if that quarterback has the ball, if going around this way to get to him is not the best path, if you run through this guy to get to him, that's a better way of doing it. I feel like that should have been a touchback. Not sure if it was or not. But good hustle play. I can see that kid is doing the very best that he can to make a difference in this game, and I appreciate it. Mm-hmm. Let's take a look at that one more time. Did he get in there? Oh, man. Maybe that's the ball breaking the plane. That thing's coming out of there. I guess. Home cooking. That cover zero happened again here. This is out of our Brave front. Got 4 down linemen here. And this should never happen. This is like my nose guard getting his ass whipped. I couldn't put it in any different way. This guy right here is the problem. And shoot, who was that? The other one? Both of them. Right in the middle right here. We got whipped on this play. Both of them. That could never happen against this play. That's what we want them to do, is think that they can run north and south. Lord knows it's not supposed to actually happen. We didn't get anything from our line on that play. Good shoestring tackle. Bringing both the outside backers again, him and him. Should be pinching up here inside. Not bad. Not bad. What's going on around the nose guard? Is he feeling us on this play right here? What's he doing? Yep. This is the worst thing that you can do. Is stand straight up. I'm gonna tell you why this kid is in on this play. Might as well not even have one. But look at everybody else on our team. These guys are so tired. Nobody's standing. I got 3 people standing. These guys are tired. They're giving us the best that they got. And I'll take my hats off to them. It was really the best that they had to live for one more play. Who makes this play? It's the end. It's outside linebacker blitzing. Catches his shoestrings. Squeeze that line of scrimmage, son. Mm. Don't let him inside of there. He shouldn't have got across your face. Now we in cover 1 on this one. So I guess that ends our cover 0s against Depauw. That was cover 1.